So the POLO trial was very exciting. This was an international study, and it took many years to complete because they had to screen over 3,300 patients to come up with the 151 that were germline mutated. So this is actually it's a great thing for me because I've been doing pancreatic cancer for a while now, and I'm very excited to see pancreatic cancer make it to the plenary session at ASCO. This is a randomized phase 3 clinical trial looking at BRCA mutated pancreatic cancer patients. They're randomized to either olaparib 300 milligrams twice per day or placebo. So patients that initially started FOLFIRINOX or any other platinum-based chemotherapy, after 16 weeks of treatment, if they did not have any progression of the disease, they were randomized to one of those two arms, and they were followed for progression-free survival. So they had 151 patients that were enrolled, and the primary endpoint was progression-free survival, which they did show a nearly doubling of progression-free survival. It went from about 3.8 months to 7.4 months, and I think that is, practice changing. One of the things about pancreatic cancer is that we do have a limited number of therapies for the management of this disease. So it's great to see that we do have another one for BRCA mutated pancreatic cancer.